birds on Stephen's Day got caught in the furze. So it's up with the kettle and down with the pan. Would you give me a penny for to bury the wran? Well, it's Christmas time, that's why we're here. Please be good enough to give us your ear, for we sing and we dance if you give us a chance, and we won't be coming back for another whole year. We'll play Kerry Porkers of the real hot stuff. We'll play the Mason's Apron and the Pinchish Snuff. Drum Mahoney's jig and the Donegal reel. Music that'll put a spring in your heel. If there's drink in the house, will they make themselves known? Before I sing a song called The Banks of the Lone, I'll drink with a low rumication in it from my poor right throat. I'll sing like a linnet. Oh, please give us something for the little bird's wake. A big lump of pudding or some Christmas cake, a fish full of goose or a cup of hot tea. Then we'll all be going on our way. Oh, the wren is the king of all birds on Stephen's Day got caught in the furze. So it's up with the kettle and down with the pan. She give me a penny for to bury the wran.